Thinking about starting your own business in 2025? Let me be real with you. The game has changed. Money isn't moving around the way it does before. People are being careful. And tech, it is moving so fast that it is hard to keep up. But guess what? Some people are still winning. And you can too. I'm going to walk you through on how to do it. Hey, I am Nancy and I help people turn their ideas into business. In this video, I'm going to break down the various steps on what works and what doesn't, and how you can get started without wasting time or little money. So you stick around to the end, and I've got a checklist for you to save you months of trials and errors. Let's talk about what's going on right now. In 2023, fundings for startup dropped over 30%. At the same time, everyone and metaphorically their grandmother started building with AIs, and working from home became the norm. You don't need to be in Silicon Valley to build amazing things. You can do this from wherever you are all over the world, be it in Africa, in Lagos, in Indonesia, wherever you are. It's 2025. It's not about who has the most money, but it's about who moves fast and smart. Now, let's talk about tech and people. AI is everywhere. You've seen it. Chatbots, smart tools, and automations. No-code tools let you build apps and websites without you being a tech genius. People want things that feel personal, not one size fits for all. They are tired of paying for subscriptions for 10 different websites or apps without getting the results they want. Now, here is one thing to know. So here's your move. Build tools or services that solve real problems using AI. You don't have to wait for months before you launch. Use simple tools to launch fast. And you have to be honest with what your brand stands for. Now, let me share what's working for others. Duolingo made learning fun like games, and people came coming back. Notion grew by letting its users spread the word. Zapier became a go-to tool because it made life easier for busy people. The lesson: involve your users, build quickly, and focus on one thing. Now let's talk money. Investors aren't chasing big promises anymore. They want to see proof of what you have. Are people using your products? Are they coming back? And you don't need fancy business. A lot of startups get funded by small groups, customer revenues, or by friends. Here's what to do. Talk about your brand online. Share your wins and your lessons. Also, make sure that your stuffs are organized. This will make people trust your brand more. Now, where should you focus? These are 5 hot areas where you can focus. Health, especially remote and mental care. AI tools that help people to work better. Climate and sustainability tech. Online learning tools. And also tools that will help remote teams and workers. Find a real problem in one of these spaces. Fix it in a simple but powerful way. And don't forget to avoid these mistakes. Don't build for months without you launching. No, it's a no. Don't wait forever before you make your first sales. And don't get caught up in trends that doesn't solve real problems. Also, don't forget about legal stuffs, especially when you are using AI or you are handling people's data. As a startup, here's a quick checklist for you in 2025. Your product uses or benefits from AI. You launched something small and tested it. You can work remotely with your team. You have clear values people are working with, and you are following basic data rules. And also, you are sharing what you're building online. If you've got all this in place, you are off to a solid start. 2025 is full of opportunities. Just only if you stay smart, you move smart, and you're focused. Founders who are real and who keep showing up have a greater advantage. If you got value from this, subscribe and share, and drop your startup ideas in the comment section. I might pick up one to talk about in the next episode. And hey, check out this next video, which is 10-minute habits that will help you kill procrastination. What is all this advice I've given to you if you don't take action now?